Hi guys and welcome back on vlog channel. So by the subject line you understood that it's a drugstore makeup. I'm creating a look using only drugstore products. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's prepare the skin. I'm using this. So this is a must for the dry skin, especially in winters. Okay, and now I'm using this moisturizer cream. My previous video, you guys know I am in love with this cream because of its texture. It's not like other moisturizer cream, especially for the dry skin. If you use a moisturizer, it's become very sticky, kind of. You know what I mean. And I personally don't like those type of cream which is sticky. Just excuse me, just because to give you the hydration, it is like you don't even feel like touching your face, you know. So I highly recommend this cream. You try once and I'm sure you're not gonna regret if you have a extreme dry skin like me. Okay, so after this it's a primer time, and unfortunately I don't have any drugstore primer with me, so I'm using this one from Chorus. And so the primer is done, and first I will start with the so I have done my eyebrows, so let's start with the foundation, and I'm using CoverGirl foundation. That's we just need this much. You will see this foundation is so easy to blend. So this is actually my one of favorite foundation for daily wear. And see, it's see the skin. It still feel my skin. This is the magic of this foundation. I just love this one. I'm in love with this. This is recently I found, and I'm happy with that. To set this L'Oreal True Match Compact Powder, and I'll find the brush for this. Okay, so I'm using this brush, and I will just pat little bit so it helped me to set my liquid foundation nicely. I'm done with this. Let's start with eyes. And every day, I don't think, like, it's my personal choice, I don't wear much eyeshadows. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna give nude, you say that. So from this palette I'm gonna use this one, and I will just pop it on my complete eyelid using just like this. I'm gonna put it like I personally like. Well, that's my choice, especially if it is office, or you know, you just have small meetings. And to be very honest, if you have meetings and office, you really don't have that much time, you know, to do your eyes nicely, cut crease, this and that. That's really difficult. At least for me, it is really difficult. And look at the pigmentation of this. It's really beautiful. So if you are a beginner and you don't want to spend much, and you are like, you know, when I was started doing my eyes and learning, so I never spend on high branded. I always go for the drugstore one, which is cheapest but the quality wise good, so I use those one. You can definitely go with this one. It's not very expensive, and pigmentation, you can see it's really very beautiful. Okay, so this is enough for me. And then I'm gonna use kajal pencil. It's from Miss Claire, and I think I bought this when I was in India, so I really don't know whether it's available in US, but you can always check. Okay, so when I'm applying on my waterline, I will close my eyes so that it will have some kajal on my upper lid also. Give little liner effect on the upper eye. Eyes is done, and now it's time for some blushes. So blushes I'm gonna use from CoverGirl, and I have two here. And people who wants to buy nice blusher and on the low price, CVS have a very great deal on CoverGirl. It's, I think, buy one get one free kind, and it's a travel friendly. Look at the packaging, it's too small and it's good for the traveling, right? So I have two here. One is a deep plum and another is rose silk. So I think I'll go with the deep plum. And let's open it and look at this. Oh my god, this is so freaking beautiful. I'll show you. Look at this. I don't know whether my camera is gonna focus it or not, but see this. This looks so fresh, and I'll use it. I'll be very light hand because I want a fresh and dewy kind of look. Wow, I like the pigmentation on this. This is beautiful. Lovely. How's it? Okay, so we are done with this. And highlighter I'm using from open. I always get stuck to open this one. Okay, so I'm using this one from Rimmel London, and this is the highlighter here. I'll just squeeze my brush like this. I don't know, I'm the super laziest woman to get my fan brush, and I will just highlight high on my cheekbones. Little bit on eyebrows. Okay, if you have a big nose, never do the from here to here. Just a little bit on the tip of your nose and little bit here, because otherwise it will, you know, make prominent your eyes. Your nose is very big. And on Cupid bow. And then I will just dab the extra on my back of my hand, and I will mix this with my blush. I don't know how many of you like me. I use bronzer after doing my blusher highlighter. That's how I like to do it. So I'll be using it. It's from Rimmel London. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. This is from Rimmel London. You can definitely avoid this if you don't want to do this. That's completely fine. Okay, and now it's time for, sorry, and now it's time for the mascara. It's not using any liner, so pop your eyes with this beautiful mascara. And I'm using it on lower lash also. Tell me how many of you actually made funny face while applying lower lash mascara. Comment below. Okay, so now it's lipstick time, and lipstick I'm using this beautiful from Maybelline. Can you focus? Okay, I think it's focused. It's Maybelline. It's a lip graduation, and it's in shade. It's pink too. So this is like this, a beautiful like crayon types, and I really love the formula of this lipstick. And let's do it. And look at this. So the look is complete. This is the final look. I'll just do my hair. Enjoy it. This is what I have for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Till the time, take care and enjoy your holidays. Bye.